Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Iman and I'm going to tell you about introduction of weeding. Weeding is an important practice in gardening and agriculture, aimed at controlling the growth of unwanted plants, known as weeds. These invasive plants compete with cultivated plants for essential resources such as water, nutrients, and sunlight, ultimately reducing yields and hindering overall plant health. The process of weeding involves carefully removing or suppressing these unwanted plants to allow the desired plants to thrive. It can be done manually using tools such as hose, hand pulling, or through chemical means herbicides, depending on the scale and nature of cultivation. Effective weeding not only increases crop productivity but also promotes biodiversity and ecological balance in agricultural and natural environments.
So my name is Devenlee and I from class 2A. So now I want to talk about example of weeds at the palm oil. At the palm oil, I have 4 types of weeds. The first type is Melastoma malabricum. Melastoma malabricum is a flowering plant in the family Melastomataceae, native to sickly. Their life is tropical and subtropical Asia to Australia and Western Pacific Island. Lantana camara. Lantana camara is a species of flowering plant within the verbena family, native to the American tropic. Is a very adaptable species which can inhabit a wide variety of ecosystems. Once it has been introduced into the habitat, it spread rapidly between 45.
Okay, so my name is Amirul Akmal and I'm from class M380-110-2A. And today I want to explain about the effect of weed on oil palm. Weeds in palm oil plantation have various challenges, one of which is their rivalry for soil nutrients. Due to this competition, they take up nutrients that should be accessible for palm oil trees, which lowers the availability of vital components that are necessary for the palm oil crop's ideal growth and development. As a result, there may be an obstruction to the growth and production of palm oil plants, which would result in lower yields and financial losses for plantation owners. Furthermore, pests and diseases that may damage palm oil trees might use weeds as hosts or hiding place. Insect, fungi, bacteria, and nematodes are a few examples of the pests and illnesses that can cause a variety of negative consequences, including leaf damage, fruit loss, and even the tree deaths.
Okay, now I will explain the importance of controlling weeds. As you know, the weed can give a bad effect to a plant, and weed also will compete with the plant to get a nutrient, water, and sunlight. So this is some important things of controlling weeds. First, the pests for coming to the plant. Some species of weeds is a house of pests. So if we don't remove it, many pests will come and eat the plant and damage the plant. Most likely it will also multiply and the whole plant will be eaten by it. For the last point is reduce risks of invasive species. Some weeds can be invasive, meaning they can quickly spread and take over the garden.
Okay, so for the next content I want to explain is method of weed control. So I decide chemical herbicides are the main tool used to control weeds in palm oil plantations. This is due to the fact that chemical herbicides are the best way to keep weeds under control in oil palm farms. They can be managed as non-selectively or selectively based on the kind of weeds being targeted and the existence of oil palm plants in the area. Furthermore, mechanical cleaning techniques are applied. Weeds are manually removed from oil palm field using tools including skids, hoes, and specialist weeding equipment. In order to get the best results, this method can be used with the application of pesticide to provide a more environmentally friendly option.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Aina Batrisyia from 2A. So my point is conclusion. In conclusion, weeds in palm oil plantation have their good and bad, but we also need to reduce the problem of weeds in palm oil plantation so that we can get a good and high quality results. To reduce weed growth in palm oil plantation, various methods can be employed. This may include implementing active weed management strategies such as manual weeding, mulching, herbicide application, and maintaining proper ground cover. Additionally, promoting biodiversity in and around the plantation can help naturally suppress weed growth. Each approach should be carefully evaluated based on its effectiveness, environmental impact, and long-term sustainability.